Hello and welcome to this quarter two version of Digital Bootcamp. This version is for typing, and we're going to be going to typing.com in order to increase our skills. And then at the very end, we're going to take a typing certificate placement test, and we'll see where exactly we are in our thing. And of course, there's a discussion forum, so that if you have any questions regarding this, you can ask them here or answer other students' questions if you see them. All right, so let's go ahead into this. We're going to click on typing.com. So here it is. We're going to click on for students. Now, we're not going to create a account here, but we are going to go ahead and start. Now, you can start anywhere in here. I'm not going to force you to start at the beginning, because all of these will teach you how to type quickly, efficiently, and without looking at your hands, using the home row system. So if you are beginning to typing and you've never typed before, you may want to start at the very beginning. All right, but if you are pretty good, you may want to be at the intermediate level or maybe advanced. But they have all of these different sections that you can increase your typing skills with. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. This is going to be the very beginning. It's not logged in, so it's not going to save my work. I'm going to have to kind of click into it as I go. But this one is just about F, right? So I click F, enter, okay, great, I'm there. So F, 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 J, F, 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 J. And you see it gives you the finger that you're supposed to hit and the key that you're supposed to hit with that finger. So you're just going to make sure that you are looking at the screen while you go. And then it gives you these stars and accuracy. So it's going to record how far you get, but it's going to record it using the cookies on your machine. So if you move machines, it's not going to keep your score or where you're tracking. All right, and then you click continue. Now at the very beginning of the lesson, it will give you a little video on how to do things, maybe give you tips. So I'm not going to go into all that, but that's how you go through the actual lessons. All right, and then when you're done, it fills this up, and then you're all done with that particular lesson. Now, when you're all done, and you can see your average up here also. So I'm doing about 37 words per minute average and 95% accuracy, and I've only been typing for like 3 minutes, not very long. Okay, but when I'm all done, when I think I have good typing skills, I'm going to go in here where it says typing certificate. This is the actual assignment, right? And I've placed the link right here that you can click on, and this goes right to that assessment. You see it says start 3 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and as soon as you start typing, it begins that test. So I'm going to go ahead and take this test really quick, see how good I do without looking at my hands too much. A little nervous because I am being recorded, and I know hundreds of students will be watching this. Oh, all these. Getting close to being done here, I think. Ah, 37.97% accuracy. Okay, so then you're gonna go ahead and you're not gonna be able to print the certificate because you're not signed in. So what we have to do now is do a screenshot of this screen. So I'm going to come down into my search, which is the little search panel down here. I'm going to type in snip it or snipping tool. Click that. All right, and then this is going to pop up, and you're going to click new, and then just click and drag over your typing speed. And there it is. All right, and then you click save, and it's going to ask you where to capture it. Put your name, click save, and now I saved it onto my desktop. Now I can download it by going back to Schoology, and then there'll be a little turn-in button right here, or submit. You're going to click on that and attach your certificate, and then you're all done. All right, so that is the typing.com walkthrough. All right, good luck.